You know, I went in there thinking it was a 9 to 5. I'm going in there for a check. But as I got the experience, you know, and building a bond with not only my clients, but the people who work there, I realized it was more to that. My fault. Do you want me to start from the beginning or what? I didn't know. Hello, everyone. It's Con. Damn. Alright. Yeah, I'm chilling here. Alright, so hello everyone. It's Carnell, aka Trendsetter. Here to introduce y'all to myself. Hey, stop looking at me like that, Jay. You still on me? Before we get anything started, I do want to let y'all know that I'm all about positivity, you know, spreading good energy and just spreading love throughout my content. That's rule number 1. And number 2, and if you heard how I said that, that should tell you a lot.
Damn, what the fuck? We really talk like that?
I have a very strong Baltimore accent. Emphasis on the very.
What?
That being said, if you hear me say dummy, please don't be offended. It's a sign of endearment. It's actually a sign of endearment.
It's not that, dummy. It's...
Y'all hear me say dummy, please do not get offended. That's just how we talk to each other for real. Don't attack me in the comments saying I'm offended. It's just the way we talk here. But if you do subscribe, you'll start to better understand our lingo. Dummy. Now that we got that out the way, let's talk about the reason for my actual first video. Some of you may know I am a caregiver, and for those who don't know, I am a caregiver. So a few of my videos went viral recently, and it kind of created the situation we have today.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know?
So back when I was younger, a family member of mine was a living assistant. I didn't realize how connected I was until the year 2016 when I went to McDaniel College and I had the opportunity to become a caregiver. And it's kind of funny, that was the life-changing moment, you know, for me. A friend of mine named Dre introduced me to the company, and you know, little do he know, it changed my life. So shout out to Dre, you know, Stu. But he would know what I mean when I'm saying Stu.
What?
You know, I went in there thinking it was a 9 to 5. I'm going in there for a check. But as I got the experience, you know, and building a bond with not only my clients, but the people who work there, I realized it was more to that. Long story short, the video with me and my client was just like an average day. Everything was natural, you know, and I just wanted to capture it. So I decided to post the video on Twitter, and 24 hours later, that went viral as soon as it dropped. Dummy, the Bills had 1 million the next day. And 24 hours later, I'm like, man, what did you do? So I'm checking the notification on Twitter, and I'm seeing all the positive, you know, retweets, the quotes, the comments. And then coincidentally, I go to Facebook and I'm tagged in the same video. Within 24 hours, that video hit 1 million. And now I'm like, what is going on? This is getting crazy. So pretty much I know now the video is viral. It has gone viral on Twitter. It's going viral on Facebook. But, you know, with the good, come the bad. So now my mind's going crazy. I'm like, am I doing good or am I doing bad? Will I lose my job? Will I still have my job? You know, it's a lot of things I had to take into account. Mixed reviews, you know, like my mind was tripping. You know, my anxiety started to play a part because I didn't know, like, was this a good or bad thing? And with that, led us up to why we are here today. On a specific day of the year,
What?
I posted a video stating I was let go from my company. Hey, how you guys doing? I hope everybody's having a good day, but I wanted to break some news to y'all. Basically, I won't be able to do the caregiver videos anymore. Some of y'all may be familiar with the company called It's Gone Viral. So they had shared a video stating that I got fired. That then caused more controversy. So this video, I will provide the link for you below in the description. So this video then go viral, and they made it very clear I was fired. So I'm here today in my first YouTube video to let you know that was not true. Remember, I shared that video that I was fired on a special day of the year. And this day just so happened to be April Fool's.
Got him! Got him!
And it's a joke, and it turned into this big controversy. All is well, nothing but love for my company. I just wanted to clear the air. I was not fired, but I do have restrictions which will prevent me from posting any more videos. But I assure you, join the journey, dummy, you feel me? Come up with the boy. I'll be posting reactions, tutorials, different challenges. Anything y'all want to see me do videos on, just comment down below. I got a lot planned. I got a lot that I want to accomplish, but this is the beginning of something new. And hopefully you guys stay tuned or tune in. Gang, you already know, Dommy. And man, we be dragging.